So when I graph, so my data at first were just the individual numbers on the paper. My data after I do this becomes all the sample means. That's my data now. If I plot that, it looks like this. Do you guys see that? Because where should the tallest peak be? Well, at 2.5, because that occurs the most. Does that look normal already? Shit, yeah. And what was my sample size? It only took a sample size of 2, and it already starts to look normal because it started off so pretty. Oh, so pretty. All right. So we'll get more detailed on this because you can see where we're going at the bottom there. But we'll get back into that next time. Oh! Important announcement. I decided I'm going to do a group quiz on Tuesday on uniform and normal distributions. Yay!
Everyone's like a group.
So you'll be able to have a quiz and work with certain people.
Yeah.
I'll probably just group you guys up myself. Aha.